Hi, Richard here. Hope everyone is doing well. I wanted to make a little thing here. My niece is trying to work out and is needing some exercise equipment. So I thought I'd do a little bit of something with some extra parts that I have. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a couple of holes through them and attach these weights to them and maybe some sandbags if I need some more weight. So yeah, let's do that thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a little hole through this. You can see that. If you can see that right there. I know not the best camera work ever, but hey, phone on a tripod. What can you do?
What are you going to do?
I am going to
Make it stick on it?
I'm going to run a cord for this.
A cord?
Mm-hmm. Basically,
What?
I'm going to tie it. It's going to be like a little tie, like a little wire. It's going to tie these so they're going to swing a little bit, but they're not going to fall off. I just need to do something so that
They can't swing though.
Oh, get me. I'm making this up as I go along.
When you're at the gym, here they have the clamps to make it not moving.
Well, I'm trying not to add, trying to allow you to control how much weight is on it. Not adding so much extra weight. The bar weighs something, and then the weights weigh something, so I'm not trying to overload you.
Hey! You're a wet dog. You crazy person.
Crazy. My camera work probably needs some.
Oh yeah, because it needs to be.
Actually, you know what? Hand me one of them zip ties.
Like these are heavier than the ones at the gym.
Probably are.
Yeah, they're 10 pounds, but that's okay. Oh, I don't think. Do you think that's gonna help?
I mean, you're not slinging it around.
Sophie! Gosh, like this.
Your dog.
Sophie! Come here. You're barking at nothing. Come here. Come on. She knows that I'm looking at her like I'm gonna like get her by her leash. I got you.
Take her inside.
Look at her. Look at me.
Okay, well, that one's no good.
She's not really about to.
That one broke off. Yeah. Just because I'm paranoid.
What?
Just because I'm
Oh, I can use this as my thing to do my hip first. Oh, cool. But it'll move.
Just
it up against something. We'll test that. I'll test it. Just need that thing wiped down so we don't get all nasty. We're gonna take off these fake nails. Gotta spend $60 for it.
So that's,
Unnecessary.
you don't know, I mean, it's one of those things where the very nature of what is considered necessary and what will actually come back and what will survive will sort of change.
Yeah, I know. I was thinking about all the nail salons because now all these girls are taking off their fake nails, and I keep on reading these things, and they're like, I think I'm just gonna stick with the natural nails from now on. So.
Because, and beauty standards will change, and literally, we're in the middle of a complete shift in society and culture. Something that only happens once every couple hundred years. Hang on. Toolbox was on the other side. Major disasters spark major change. All right.
What do you think? Are they moving?
No.
One, two.
And that's it.
Oh, popping.
Seems to work.
Yeah. Sort of.
So it sort of works. What needs to be changed?
But it works.
Well, I mean, tell me what needs to change.
No, I just wish I had more weight. That, like, being able to take weight on and off, you know? But we are in coronavirus times. This is what it is.
Well, I mean, I can put sandbags on it too to add the weight. And that's another, I mean, that's 20 pounds plus, I'm guessing, 5 pounds for the bar. So you're looking at 25 pounds, possibly. So.
Where do you put this? Where should I put this?
I don't know. Where do you want to put it? Raining a bit. So is it? So you need more weight on it?
I mean, I guess I'll just do more reps. You know?
Yeah.
I think there's a way I can use one of the. You can use bands for it too.
Yeah, I mean, I can add extra length to it if you need extra length.
No, this is straight. This is great. How are you gonna add extra weight though?
And add extra length, and those are the only weights that I have other than hand weights.
Oh, this is cool. I'll do it. I'll use this.
All right.